Good morning, children. Let us try to understand two very important concepts: inscribed angle and intercepted arc. With inscribed angle, we will also discuss what is inscribing arc. Okay. Definitions I have written on the board. Let me explain. An angle whose vertex lies on the circle. The vertex must be on the circle. And the second condition, whose arms intersect the circle in two distinct points. In two distinct points. If both these conditions are fulfilled, then we can say that the angle is inscribed angle. Okay. So, let us see four figures which I have drawn. In the first figure, the vertex is on the circle and the sides of the angle are intersecting the circle in two distinct points. So this is the inscribed angle. So I have put a tick mark here. In the second, vertex is outside the circle, so not an inscribed angle. Here also, vertex is inside the circle, not an inscribed angle. Here, vertex is on the circle, but the arms of the angle, the sides of the angle are not intersecting the circle in two distinct points. This side is intersecting the circle in point A, but this side of the angle is not intersecting the circle in another distinct point. So in the fourth case also, angle ABC is not an inscribed angle. So only first picture shows the inscribed angle. Second is intercepted arc. I have made it easier for you all to understand. काटा हुआ आर्क, एक एंगल ने सर्कल का जो आर्क काटा होता है, that arc is called intercepted arc. Let us see the formal definition. An arc whose end points lie on the sides of the angle. आर्क के एंड पॉइंट्स एंगल के साइड्स के ऊपर होने चाहिए. एंड द रिमेनिंग पॉइंट्स ऑफ द आर्क के बचे हुए पॉइंट्स मस्ट लाई इन द इंटीरियर ऑफ द एंगल. देन दोज आर्क्स आर कॉल्ड एज intercepted arcs. Let us see again the four figures. First figure, the end points of the arc are on the sides of the angle. So first condition is satisfied. The remaining points of the arc, these are the remaining points. They are in the interior of the angle. So you can say that arc ADC is intercepted by angle ABC. एंगल ABC ने आर्क ADC काटा है. Let us go to the second figure. Here also both the end points lie on the sides of the angle and the remaining points lie in the interior. Can we say that this arc is also intercepted arc? Yes, both the conditions are satisfied. So this arc is also called an intercepted arc. The intercepted arc is independent of the position of the vertex of the angle. Vertex सर्कल के ऊपर है, सर्कल के अंदर है या सर्कल के बाहर है, ये मायने नहीं रखता. Okay, end points must be on the sides of the angle and the remaining points must be in the interior of the arc. So this is intercepted arc. Similarly, this is also the intercepted arc. So now you can say angle PRT has intercepted two arcs. Arc PAT, also arc QR. एक एंगल दो आर्क भी काट सकता है अगर वर्टेक्स बाहर में है. Here also this arc is satisfying both the conditions. End points are on the sides of the angle remaining points are in the interior, so this is also intercepted arc. Can I say that arc APB is also intercepted arc? Let us check carefully. Vertex A is on the side of the angle. Vertex B, क्योंकि second end point है arc का, it is also there on the side of the angle. इस साइड के ऊपर भी है और एंगल के ये साइड के ऊपर भी है. Point B, vertex of the angle, lies on both sides. So you can say that A and B, they are on the sides of the angle and the remaining points are in the interior of the angle. तो इसको भी इंटरसेप्टेड आर्क कहा जाता है. ठीक है, तो इंटरसेप्टेड आर्क मतलब एंड पॉइंट्स एंगल के ऊपर होनी चाहिए और बचे हुए पॉइंट्स एंगल के अंदर होने चाहिए. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज इंटरसेप्टेड आर्क. नाउ वी हैव टू स्टडी inscribing arc. An arc ADC is intercepted by angle ABC. ये हो गया इंटरसेप्टेड आर्क. सर्कल का बचा हुआ जो पार्ट है, आर्क है, आर्क ABC, इसको बोलते इंस्क्राइबिंग आर्क. सो वी कैन से लाइक दिस, theoretically we say that angle ABC is inscribed in arc ABC. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बात है क्योंकि आगे में आप एक थ्योरम पढ़ने वाले हो, इंस्क्राइब्ड एंगल थ्योरम, और उसकी कोरोलरीज. यू शुड नो द मीनिंग ऑफ inscribing arc. Okay, angle ABC is inscribed in arc ABC. Keep that in mind. Angle ABC is inscribed in arc ABC. I hope it is very clear. For rest of the things, the angles are not inscribed angles, so there is no need to discuss about inscribing arc. Okay, only for this figure. Okay, when we go ahead, we find that we can draw another angle like this. Let me say that this is point P. I can say that angle APC is also inscribed in arc APC. Arc APC can be named as ABC also. Okay, so you have two angles inscribed in the same arc. Angle ABC as well as angle APC. You can take infinite angles. ऐसा भी एंगल आप ले सकते. This is also called, this angle is also called angle inscribed in arc AQC. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? An inscribed angle is always inscribed in that arc in which its vertex lies. यहां से यहां तक का, right? So that is called as inscribing arc, and angle is said to be angle AQC, angle ABC, angle APC, all are inscribed in the same arc. So if I ask you a question, how many such angles can be inscribed in the same arc? Infinite. You can take any point joined with A and C, you will get an angle inscribed in that arc. So you can inscribe infinite number of angles in the same arc. Okay.